Tofu by itself can be very plain, but if you dress it up in a delicious seasoning, it can be the best thing ever. So I'm going to make crispy tofu and dress it with some seaweed salt. So I've got some hard tofu here. I'm going to cut it into 3 centimetre blocks, so straight down the centre, and then we'll cut that again, and then into perfect squares. You'll need about 500 grams of tofu, and you want to use a firm tofu so it holds its shape as it fries in the hot oil. Okay, now we're going to just toss this tofu into some rice flour. If you didn't want to use rice flour, you could also use some potato starch for this. Give them a bit of a toss, and then in batches, start to fry these little blocks of tofu. Now I'll just fry them on all sides for a few minutes or until they go crisp. All right, tofu is crispy and out of the oil. I'm just draining it on some paper towel, and now we can season it with this seaweed salt from New Zealand. It's sustainably sourced, and I love it because it's got a lovely smoky umami taste to it. It goes perfectly with seaweed. So sprinkle that over the top, give it a bit of a shake, and it's best to do this when they're piping hot. Place them into a bowl, pile them up, and because this salt is just so delicious, a little extra sprinkle. There you go. That's a really fun way of jazzing up very simple tofu with a little bit of seaweed salt.